Hi, I'm Brad with Family Handyman. Popcorn ceilings used to be really popular, but not so much anymore. Most people want to get rid of them, and there's a way to do it. Let me show you how it's done. As with any job, the prep work is really important. Now this stuff makes a big mess when you start scraping it off, and so you want some plastic, cover everything, bag off the whole room, and you're going to scrape it off with a 6-inch drywall knife. It's helpful to hold a mud pan underneath as you're scraping to catch as much as you can. And so you don't do further damage to your ceiling by gouging it with the corners of the knife. Round them off a little bit with a file. So start by doing a scrape test with your drywall knife and just see how easily it comes off. And if it comes off easily, then you're good. You can continue through the rest of the ceiling. If it's really stuck on there, you're going to have to resort to water. So if you have to use water, a pump sprayer is the way to go. And just work a small area at a time. After the water's had a chance to soak for a little while, try your knife again. That should make it significantly easier. Now after you've scraped it all off, you're still going to have to sand everything smooth. So yeah, this is a huge, messy job. But remember a few things. Cover everything with plastic, test a spot with your drywall knife, and if it doesn't come off easily, resort to the water. If it's been painted, you might have to cover it up. For more tips on drywall and popcorn ceilings, check us out on familyhandyman.com.